Okay, guys, I have great news for you guys. I found out how to make. Alright, so it's only if you have like a player model, you know. Look, I have my OC as a player model. Besides, it's an adventure version of my OC. The other version of the OC wouldn't work because it doesn't have shared bones. So here's how I did it. I hold up. Let me. They're gonna need this for sure. It's sort of like it, but it's not. And now I'm just gone. You see, now I have no idea why I'm gone. I'm just gonna deal with it. Okay, so what you're gonna need is pack editor, bone merge, and a player model. It doesn't matter what player model. I'm just gonna apply a player model. So it doesn't matter what player model, but we're gonna need pack editor. That's all I'm going to say. For now, anyway. Um, hold up. So I'm just. False. Okay, so anyway, I don't know why this is here. I accidentally put that there. Just don't put another. You don't. I mean, I don't know if it does anything, but we'll find out if it messes up. So anyway, I'm just gonna pick a player model. I'll just pick the skinniest one I could find. And I accidentally. And then just exit pack editor, I guess. You don't have to do this right now. I was just doing that. Okay. So, no. Trying to exit pack. Exit. Okay. So, anyway, what you're going to want to do is get a player model. Any player model is fine. Get your ragdoll. A player model ragdoll, anyway. So, this is mine. It's an adventure version, like a FNAF World version of my OC. It doesn't really matter. Still like it. So what you're going to want to do is pull out your easy bone merge and select yourself, and then attach the one you want to your thing, and then boom, yeah, I got it. But that's not all, because you're gonna need pack editor. You're gonna want pack editor to get rid of this weird player model. I don't want a skeleton inside of me. I mean, yeah, that is kind of cool, but this is an adventure. This is supposed to be kid friendly. Anyway, so what you're going to want to do is go to your outfit, like right click, go to entity, and then press hide entity right here, not right there. It'll still appear if it's right there. Just do it right here. And then boom. It's not there no more. If you want to save it, just save it. Easy. Right click, and then press save. New file. There. So if you guys like this video, leave a like and subscribe for more. And yeah, see you later. Alligator. Bye-bye.